lesson. She gave everything, she was such a blessing. But from day to day, she would change her ways. Give me her love, then she'd take it away, take it away, take it away. Just like the Reaper, thought she was the one for me, turned out she was a sleeper.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be on this look. I wanted to do something like a brown smoky eye, but with a pop of like gold in the inner corner. And I'm using the BH Festival Color Festival palette. If you guys are interested in getting a palette from bhcosmetics, maybe this one or other ones, I will link this palette down below, and bhcosmetics if you guys are interested in purchasing anything from them. Yeah, so I will be doing more looks because there's a lot of different colors in here, and I want to do more colorful looks for you guys. But today I was feeling like I wanted something brown smoky eye, and I decided to come out with this. I didn't do my foundation because I am testing this foundation that I'm wearing. It will be, I don't know if this video will be up or the foundation video will be up first, but yeah, so I am testing out the foundation, and I'll let you guys know my thoughts in that other video. So yeah, let's get started. So I'm gonna start off with Chick first, and I'm going to apply that all over my crease. And I'm using a Morphe R39 brush. I do have a discount code. I'll list all my discount codes down below if you guys are interested in purchasing. Definitely helps my channel out, and thanks for the support and the love that you guys give me when you guys do use my discount code. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply this right onto my crease. And this is just going to be my transition color, so I am going to take my time to blend this and apply this color onto my crease. And if I don't really talk a lot, it's because if I do talk a lot, I start coughing, and so I'm trying to avoid that. So alright, and then I'm just going to clean out any fallout. I should apply some setting powder under the eyes. I didn't do it when I did this one, but I did get a little bit of fallout, so I'm gonna go ahead and, just to be safe, I'm going to apply some here. Okay, then I'm gonna go with DJ, this one right here. It's a dark brown, and I'm going to apply this right in the outer corner. I'm just gonna bring it in. And then going back again with Chick, I'm going to blend this out. Okay, easy peasy. I didn't really want to take too much time doing this, so yeah. Then I'm going with a Morphe M705 brush. I use this one for like concealers and stuff. I'm gonna apply a little bit of setting spray onto the brush. Here we go, I'm gonna start coughing, guys. And I'm going to apply fringe. And that's gonna go all over the lid. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and apply a little bit more just to kind of set it. Then I'm gonna go with a bhcosmetics brush. This one is the number 11. And I'm gonna apply some setting spray onto that brush, and I'm gonna go with EDM, this one right here. And that one's gonna go right onto the tear duct area. I'm going to bring it in a little bit. I just want to make sure that that color is the one that stands out. So I'm going to bring it up a little bit. You guys can see I am bringing it up, and then I try to kind of blend it in. Alright. Then I'm going with the other bhcosmetics brush number 5. I'm going back with DJ, and then I'm going to apply this right in the outer corner. And then going back with that Morphe brush, the M705 brush with that fringe color, and I'm going to apply this right here. little bit more on this side because I feel like it's lost. Okay, and I'm just gonna clean out any fallout. For mascara, I'm gonna go with the Marc Jacobs one just to apply some to the bottom lashes. Alright, I'm gonna apply a little bit on the top. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and apply our lashes. These are the bhcosmetics lashes. I will link them down below for you guys. They're kind of like my favorite lashes. I've been using them for a while, so I can definitely use these lashes on and off. They are reusable, so that's what I really like about those lashes. I'm actually going to cut a little bit because I didn't cut some when I opened them last time, and I feel like they're a little too long, so I'm going to cut a little bit. I feel like this eye is a lot more smokier than this one, so I'm going to go back and apply a little bit more of the shadows. I feel like the darker shade is the one that I need to pop a little bit more. There we go. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and pop on my, oh, I just got glue on me, on my lash. So I want to get it as close as I can to my real lashes, and then kind of leave it a little bit so it dries. I like to close my eyes so I can feel that it is there, like really placed there. So there. So I'm just gonna let it dry for a little bit. Alright, I need to clean this glue off my hand. Alright. Moving on, I don't even know what I want to do for lips. I've been really obsessed with that the combo that I've been doing with the Morphe, but I think I'm just gonna do the gloss today because well, you know what, alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do the gloss. This one is the one from the kit. I'll link it down below if you guys are interested.
Just like an elevator.
Alright guys, so this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to leave me a comment. Let me know how you feel. If you guys don't like it, do you guys like it? Let me know in the comments down below. I love you guys so much, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
So don't be fooled by those pretty eyes, pretty eyes, pretty eyes.